equation. An equation is a statement that two expressions are equal. We have here the given examples. To solve an equation means to find all numbers that make the equations a true statement. These numbers are called solutions or roots of the equation. So the set of all solutions to an equation is called its solution set. What is linear equation in one variable? A linear equation in one variable is an equation that can be written in the form ax plus b equals 0, where a and b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. A linear equation is also called a first-degree equation since the degree of the variable is either 1 or 0. To solve a linear equation, use the properties of equality to isolate the variable on one side and the solution on the other side. Let's have the properties of equality. For the addition and subtraction, and then for real numbers a, b, and c, if a equals b, then a plus c equals b plus c. If a equals b, then a minus c equals b minus c. First example, x plus 3 equals 2. Let's copy the x and then plus 3, you're going to transpose that. Copy the 2 and then from positive 3 that now becomes 3. Let's now get the value of x by subtracting 2 and negative 3. So the answer is negative 1. Second example, we have 5x minus 4 equals 11. Copy the 5x. Then copy 11 because it's a constant and negative 4 is also a constant. So you're going to combine them by transposing negative 4. The negative 4 becomes positive 4. And then copy 5x, then get the sum of 11 and 4, which is 15. Then divide both sides, left and right, by 5 in order to get the value of x. Now, 15 divided by 5 is 3. That is now the value of x. For the multiplication and division property of equality, for real numbers a, b, and c, if a equals b, then ac equals bc. If a equals b and c is not equal to 0, then a over c equals b over c. Let's have the first example. 2x equals 6. Divide both the left and right by 2 in order to get the value of x. So cancel 2 and 2. So x remains. Then divide 6 by 2, which is 3. That is now the value of x. Second example, 1/2 x equals 4. So flip the 1 over 2. Make it as 2 over 1. Multiply 2 over 1 in both sides, left and right. 4 times 2 over 1. Or you can put over 1 in 4, meaning it's an imaginary number. You can put 1 or over 1 in 4 so that you will not be confused. You can now multiply 4 times 2. So the answer or the value of x is 8. Let's now determine whether each equation is linear in one variable or not. First, example is linear in one variable because the exponent is 1. The next is not because there are two variables. The third is not because x is squared. The fourth is expressed in radical form. And the last example, x is in denominator. The solutions of linear equation could be any of the following: identity, conditional, or contradiction. A true statement such as 0 equals 0. The equation is an identity. Its solution is a real number. And a single solution such as x equals 3, the equation is conditional. Its solution set consists of a single element. And a false statement such as 0 equals 7 is the equation is a contradiction because its solution set is empty. We have here the example, and let's decide whether each equation is identity, conditional, or contradiction. We have the first example. Let's distribute 3 to x plus 2 and then copy the rest. So 3 times x, then 3 times 2, okay, which is 6. Then copy, minus negative x equals 2x plus 6. Then combine like terms. So 3x and negative x are like terms. 6 is a constant. 2x plus 6, and then, okay, as the sum of 3x minus x. Copy the plus 6. Then copy again the rest. Let's do transposition so that we can combine the alike terms. From positive to negative. So both the left and right ended up with 0. And that is an identity property. Next example. We have 4x minus 7 equals 13. So copy the 4x, then copy the 13 because it's constant. You're going to transpose negative 7 from negative to positive. So you may now get the sum of 13 and 7, which is 20. So both left and right should be divided by 4 so that x will remain to get its value. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. So it's conditional. Last example, 2x plus 5 plus x equals 3x plus 9. Again, combine alike terms. 5 is constant. Copy 3x plus 9. Okay, add 2 and 1. So it's 3x plus 5. Then copy the rest. Do transposition. We will see if they're equal to each other. So from positive, the positive 3 now becomes negative 3. Then copy the 9. Then the positive 5, when transposed, it will now become 5, negative 5. So 3x minus 3x equals 0. 9 minus 5 is 4. So the result is contradiction. For my next videos, there will be more linear equations with solutions and applications. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.